Come test drive the 2022 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, bed liner, alloy wheels, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, xenon headlights, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, keyless entry, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system.